Hi everyone, just a quick update. We've got some chicks that's hatched in the bottom nest. That's the mosaic opals. 2 out of 4 at the moment. As you can see, there's 2. There's those. Also, as you can see in the Irish, I'll get them out so you can see. You've got 3 chicks in there. Wait for it to focus. Yeah, so 3 chicks in there. There you go, all 3. So that's all 3 out of the 4 hatched. So I will leave those alone. So yeah, red poles are not doing anything. Loads of nesting material still being wasted. So I'll leave those. That pair there, she was on 5 eggs. I've taken all of the eggs out. All of them were infertile, so I'll leave them for a week. Then put a new nest pan in. These over here, again, not doing anything. Just going to check this nest here, as I don't know if these have hatched. So let's have a quick little look. Come on. Oh, there you go, more chicks. It's 3 out of 4. So that's a surprise. You can see straight away red eyes. You see the eye difference of those and the other chicks. Let me see if I can see if all of them are red eyes. Let's have a look. So you can see the difference out of the back chick there. You see the back chick with the black eyes, the other 2 with normal eyes. So there's still 1 egg left to hatch in there. Let's turn this little one over. So I'll be leaving those alone. So 3 out of 4. The bottom pair down here, sad to say that only 1 of them hatched. Much bigger than the others, as you can tell. Be ringing stage for that soon. So I'm a bit gutted about those pair. Only 1 of them hatched. All 4 eggs were fertile, but for some reason they just didn't hatch. So that's that pair. So I'll leave that one alone. What else is there to tell you? Saturnet hen. This is my good hen. I think she's on 4 eggs. So a quick little look. She doesn't like getting up sometimes. You can see she is on, I think she's on 4 eggs. Oh, see the small egg? That's strange. Let's get her off the nest. You see the size difference of that other egg compared to the others. You see the size difference, all 4 from the same hen. So she's got cuttlefish, she's got everything there that she needs, so I'm just going to leave those alone. Doubt that other one will hatch, but let's just move that around just to... So yeah, that's that pair. So the only ones that are left to hatch, here you can see there's chicks in there. The only pair that are left to hatch is these Fayos. Fayos hen and the clear yellow cock, still on 4 eggs, so I'm just going to leave those well alone. So I'll do another update in a couple of days. Thanks very much, bye bye.